Where's he at?
He's having some issues.
Parker has a very busy
Oh.
weekend ahead. He'll be in the booth for the CW for the Xfinity Series race tomorrow.
What happened?
On Sunday for the Cup Series.
Oh, come on. Oh. Haha. Fuck you. Almost killed his teammate.
That was close.
Not really.
I was more worried about the curb. That's a big curb that he climbed over. Well, I think everything that we're seeing so far.
See, he wrecked his thumbs on a bitch. Oh, himself.
You get in there hot.
Idiot.
You start to, get too much rear brake. Exactly. You start wheel hopping. You miss a downshift, maybe that last downshift, and spin you right around. I think what we've seen so far.
Still should not pay more attention to that.
We probably should have expected knowing